Hey, it's SSJ5 takes 29 on here, and yes, it is time for another Tepig Tuesday. Woo, yeah! Clap, clap, woo, yeah! Hey, it's a plasma storm pack. Can't wait to open it. Maybe something good. Tepig Tuesday. Everybody loves it. Everybody loves it, yeah! Hey, vampire, skitty, come true, scraggy, Galvantula, clang! We have a Rotom reverse that's not a rare, wow, and it's a plasma one, weird. A Snorlax, oops, I did that wrong, huh, oh well. And a Snorlax rare, ha, wah, wah, wah. If it was only hollow, that would have been badass. But that is it for another Tepig Tuesday. Stay tuned next week when we open another pack and Flareon falls over. I don't know, I am being totally weird right now. I don't know, but that was cool. More stuff coming sometime soon. Don't know when or how or what time or what place, or I need to organize badly. I am badly unorganized. As soon as stuff sells on eBay, I will buy more stuff. Yippee! Yeah. So, yeah, that was pretty neat. Look at my Flareon, and Tepig, and Cyndaquil, and hey, oh, my Torchic has been missing, no wonder. Torchic is somewhere around here. And I need to get a Charmander still. I might get that next. Chimchar, but Chimchars are totally ugly on eBay. I don't know why I am talking like this for, but I am kind of bored, so I have nothing else to do. Yeah, so I will talk to y'all later. Have fun, but not too much. We up. Peace. Later. Tepig says bye-bye too. So that's Flareon, Cyndaquil, bye, 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 bye. Later.